tears from falling down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY summer room decor for 2017, and let's just get started with the video. So the first DIY are donut coasters, and these are super cute. So all you're going to need is some corkboard, and I just got this from Walmart. You're also going to need acrylic paint, and dotting tools are optional, but this just makes it a lot easier to paint on the sprinkles. And you will also need some paintbrushes. So all I'm doing is tracing the lid of a mason jar onto a piece of corkboard, and then I am cutting it out. This will be the donut shape, and then I'm just painting on the frosting with pink acrylic paint. Next, I'm taking the circle foam brush, like I don't know what else to call this, but I'm taking that and I'm just using some white paint to create the donut hole, and then I'm using the dotting tools to create different colored sprinkles, and you could use whatever colors you want. This is what the DIY turned out to look like. I thought it was super cute, and I know these coasters were super popular last summer, and I just really like this DIY, so I hope you guys like it as well. So the second DIY are fruit mason jars, and this is inspired by Pinterest. So all you're going to need are some mason jars, acrylic paint, a foam brush, and some dotting tools, as well as fake flowers and washi tape or painter's tape. So all I'm doing is first making the pineapple mason jar. So I'm just I'm just painting a mason jar using yellow acrylic paint. Once the paint dried, I also painted the top of the mason jar using green paint, and then I used my dotting tool and I added this part of the pineapple. I moved on to the strawberry mason jar. So all I'm doing is painting the top of the mason jar green and the rest of it red, and then I used a dotting tool and dipped it in black paint for the strawberry seeds. And lastly, I painted the watermelon mason jar. So all I did was apply a piece of washi tape towards the bottom of the mason jar, and then I painted the mason jar pink and the bottom green. Then I removed the piece of tape, and this is so satisfying to me, I don't know why. And then I just painted that little strip that the tape was on with light green paint. And then I painted on the seeds. I was trying to make little like raindrop shapes, like seed shapes, but that didn't really work out. I just ended up painting polka dots, but this is what it turned out to look like, and I think it's really cute and super summery. So the last DIY is an arrow wooden sign. I don't really know what else to call this. So all you're going to need is some sort of wooden shape. I bought this arrow from Target actually, and you could use whatever wooden shape you want. You will also need some acrylic paint and a foam brush or makeup sponges. All I'm doing is basically applying paint all over this wooden shape, and I'm using just my foam brushes, and this was really simple and it was pretty time consuming, I'm not gonna lie. You can add whatever colors you want. I think this is perfect for summer and very customizable, and I love the bright colors. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe down below if you're new. Also, if you want a notification every single time I upload a new video, be sure to click on the bell down below. I love you.